Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix American Truck Simulator game crashing or crashing at startup, lagging, freezing, showing black screen, fatal error or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first thing what you have to need to do is simply have to click on the play button, and after that you will get these type of options. Simply select the first one and then click on play. If you cannot play the game, you can select launch with DirectX, and after that click on the play button to check if the game is launching or not. Like this, you have to check whatever the options given over here, and after that click on the play button and now check if the game is launching or not. But if the issue still continues and you cannot play the game, then follow the methods discussed in the video. So first thing what you need to do is to restart your PC once. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After your PC restarts, now launch the game and then check if you can play it. If not, next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to run the game as administrator. For that, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to select the game. If you cannot find the game or if it's not listed, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Windows update, click on check for updates. So this will check and update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check if the game is launching or not. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to check graphics settings of the game. So when a graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. Next is to close background apps. So for that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background process tab, here you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, right click on it, click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and then check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, Here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the application. After adding it, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size type 12288, and the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. But after following all the methods discussed in this video, if you still fail to launch the game, then you are suggested to reinstall it. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from PC. After that, restart your PC and again launch Steam and again reinstall American Truck Simulator game, and finally click on the play button to check if the game is opening or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix American Truck Simulator game crashing at startup, lagging, freezing, low FPS, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.